Good day, everyone. Welcome to Learn with Deji. So for today, I'm going to show you how to install a powerful website script for mobile, airtime, and bills payments. So we're going to be taking a look at the BillPay script. If you come over, let's see, let's come over here. So I'm going to be taking a look at this website. This is the website script we're going to be working on today. So to get the website script is actually $49, but I will be making arrangement for that for you guys watching this video. So if you are looking to set up a robust and efficient bills payment platform, this is the very tutorial for you. Let's dive in. So you can come over here. As you can see, the script itself has lots of features. You can take your time and pause the video and actually go through everything. We have extensive payment options here with over 34 automated payment methods. I'm pretty sure this one has Flutterwave, Paystack, and all the rest installed. So, but for today, we're only going to be taking a look at the installation of the website script. So if you come over here, I already have the script here downloaded from Code Canyon, which I paid for. I have the extended license, which means I can share the script to as many people as I want. So if you simply check out the URL in the description below, you should be able to see the link provided to get this website script. And so after purchase, you can download the website script to your laptop or PC or any device. It's going to come as this, as you can see, but I have extracted it and then I compiled it into a zip folder for this. So now that we've gotten the website script, let's actually get into hosting the website and putting it online. So for that, you're going to need an hosting, which is why I recommend Bluehost hosting. I'm going to provide an affiliate link down for this in the description below as well. So for the hosting, you basically need a domain name. Now, what is a domain name? A domain name can simply be a name for a website, like let's say daily dailymoney.com. So now typing that inside here in the Truehost search bar is going to actually fetch domain names for you that are currently available. So you can simply just come over here. I'm going to erase this. You can see it says the dailymoney.com. Okay, let's remove the com. Okay, and then search again. So it should say dailymoney.com is available. But if it's not available, you can simply go for any of these other ones over here. So after clicking on get or clicking on get, let's see .com.ng. So it says this is available. So you can click on add to cart. So after adding this to cart, we need an hosting. You've got your domain name, we need an hosting. You can come over here to web hosting. Simply take a look at the price. Take a look at the price. Web hosting. And the hosting we actually need, we don't need um a very big hosting like that or a very strong hosting. We simply need a shared hosting to run the server. So let's go back to the domain name. So I'm going to teach you how you can actually do this on your own without the need for a developer. You can be the developer yourself. So over here now, back to the dailymoney.com.ng. I'm waiting for this to load. So simply click here, add to carts. Then click on continue. Down here, continue. So you can click on what you want. Hosting, we don't have any, so let's click on add. So it's going to fetch us an hosting or a recommended hosting for us. So now we simply just wait. I can see over here it wants hosting of I think 150,000 naira annually. But we don't actually need this type of hosting per se. We simply need a small hosting. Let's see which one do they have over here. Mm, So you can go for the two host silver hosting. And after getting all that, you can just simply click on pay to actually buy the hosting itself. So what the thing we need right now is hosting. And after getting the hosting, you can simply click on services, order new services. You've gotten the domain name already from the daily comment that I said before. Order now. So this is the domain name we want to use, the one we got before. Click on use. And the hosting that is 15,000 annually. So you can decide um how long you want to pay for. You can decide to pay biannually, that is for 2 years, then triannually, that should be for about 3 years if I'm correct. So you can just simply click on order now. So when you pay for this, your domain name and your web hosting will both be online for the next 1 year. It's only valid for 1 year, not unlimited. That's simply how it is. So you can simply click on these add-ons for free, then click on continue. As you can see over here, it says the domain name has an hosting. Over here, it says domain name has an hosting. So now we just basically wait for the website itself to run. And the next exactly. So now we are at the final stage right here. It wants us to pay and check out. So you can simply review it. You can see it says for 1 year. Basically, basically you are paying every month, but now it wants you to pay a year down. And paying a year down, you get this domain name for free, which means the daily money.com.ng that was about 2,100 before is now free since you are paying for the hosting package for 1 year. So basically, I think this is a very good deal for you if you're just starting. So the amount you are paying right now is only 15,000 naira. That comes included with the free domain name. So now simply click on agree, then click on checkout. So now I won't actually be buying this hosting and domain name because I already have an hosting and domain name that I wish to use. But I'm just trying to let you know that this is how you get it. This is how you get a domain name for cheap and for free. The hosting is the only thing you have to pay for. So you understand. So now let's go back to my dashboard. Let's go to my dashboard. You can see where I have three services and three domains. So now I want to click on the web hosting. I want to click on the web hosting. I want to click on the web hosting where we're actually going to use. So let's click on manage. Go to log into cPanel. So now that we're in the cPanel, we are going to actually go into our database to actually install this script. So now let's go over to log into cPanel, one over here. So over here you can see basically all my details over here. And what we need is a database and a PHP version of 7.4 or higher. So in your cPanel, I have various subdomains. So I'm going to come over here. Very first thing we need to do is create a database. So we're going to create one shortly. First, let's take a look at our um domains. What domains do I have here? What free domain do I have here actually? Let's close this. Okay, I have movies. I don't Is there anything installed on movies? Yes, there is scripts. Okay, there is my game website is hosted there. So I'm going to create another one now. I'm just going to title it for this video. I'm going to type it bills. Since we're using a script called bills payments, I'm going to add the rest of my domain name. So submit. So now it shouldn't actually take us long to create this domain name. So after the creation of the domain name, we're going to move back to what do they call it? Move back to the database. So now let's create it now. Come over here to the databases. Then click on MySQL database wizard. That is what we're going to use. So I'm going to name it the same thing as the subdomain views. But let me make this more clear to me. If when I'll be installing this, I don't want to actually forget what I saved it with. So base pay with is, again, you want to paste the same name here. For the password, I'm just going to use a random character. Make sure you remember the password for your database. That is very important. So that should work. Never, never save your password to your web. Never do that. Very important, please. So now this is database and database user. Both are using the same name. That is, you can decide to rename it however you want. But I like it this way. So now we've created the database and we've created the subdomain. We're going to return home. I really hope it works. So that I have to then now I have to go to Cloudflare to actually install this. Let's go there. Let's see, is it online? So the domain name isn't online. I'm actually waiting for it to propagate from Cloudflare. Now let's log in there. This is not something you want to see from Cloudflare ever. I hate when this happens actually. I'm just going to close this. I'm just going to close this for now. Um, so I'm waiting for this to propagate. Let's try it again. Cloudflare. Login.